Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the QR image and the footage you will use. Make sure the QR is high contrast and square so scanners can read it. Once done, create a new Funimate project and place your main clip on the timeline, then import the QR file as an overlay layer. You do this now because early placement saves time when aligning and animating later. Also, check resolution. Keep the QR at least 300px wide for consistent scanning on phones. Next, position and style the QR code so viewers can easily scan it. Align it with rule of thirds points for better sightlines. Then adjust opacity and blend mode to maintain contrast. If the background is busy, add a simple border or drop shadow to isolate the code. Use keyframes to scale or slide the QR in, which draws attention without blocking content. You should preview at 100% to confirm scannability, and make small moves rather than drastic transforms. Finally, export with settings that preserve detail, 1080p or higher and an H.264 codec works well because compression can blur the QR. Once exported, test the final video with several phones and scanning apps. Make sure it scans from typical viewing distances. If the code fails, increase its size, add a plain white margin, or raise contrast and sharpness in the overlay. Troubleshooting tip. If motion blur prevents scanning, freeze the frame where the QR is visible for 1 to 2 seconds to allow reliable reads.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.